Yes, David Isamuji here again. Are you about to spend your money? I'm talking about your $7 on single VIP when it comes to multi-betting tips. Yes, some of you will be wondering, why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video to save a lot of you spending money you should not be naturally spending on apps that don't make sense when it comes to football predictions. And yes, I'm here for you. If you've not watched my previous video, make sure you do so after this video. Now I'm just going to be going straight to the video with my notebook. Yes, I do a lot of research when it comes to betting apps that don't work, and that's what I'm going to be showing you right now. For this particular episode, I'm going to be showing you multi-betting tips. Yes, that is one of the most popular app on Google Play Store. I think it's on Apple Play too. I think so. I think it's on Apple Store, but that's not the bone of contention. The bone of contention here is, does it work? Does their prediction work for you? This is what I'm about to show you right now. So I'll just go through it. So in December 2024, we are obviously in January. Happy New Year to all of you. And please, this new year, I'm going to be helping you save your money, just searching these apps for you and giving you the ones that actually work. So 31 days in December, single VIP on multi-betting tips, VIP plan. I already have the data, so I'll just read them out for you to see and for you to understand why. I don't know, maybe I'll recommend it or not. You'll see that after this video, and I don't want to make this video long, so let's get straight right to it. You're going to be seeing some recordings from the December period I'm trying to show you right now, so you see it for yourself. So starting with how many lost in a row. Single VIP lost 8 in a row, won 7 in a row. That is, they lost 8 days in a row in those full 31 days, and they also won 7 days in a row in that same full 31 days, so different intervals. And highest odd won was 2 odds. Yes, not 1.5, not 4.8, was 2 odds won. And the win rate for December is 45%. Yes, you heard me right, 45%. If you were on single VIP on multi-betting tips for $7, that would have been 45%. Is this worth your $7? Some of you might just say it's just $7. No, it's not just $7. If 1,000 or 5,000, because you have over 1 million downloads already. So imagine 10,000 people pay $7 every month. Do you know how much that is? Do the calculation yourself and you see, yes, if you used a $1,000 account, you'd have lost $300. Just let's assume you were using, every day you're using $300 a day, you would have lost $300 using multi-betting tips single VIP plan. Yes, so you see, that's why I make this kind of videos for you guys. I'm going to go through, as you can see on my file, I also have the one I did for, yes, I did it for fixed VIP. I also did for mixed VIP. So those are the videos coming up after this. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. But this is just the second video in this series. I'm going to be checking other apps, so no app is going to be free, and no one is bribing me out of this. No one is paying me off or paying me to give them positive reviews. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to give you the hot gist as they are. And trust me, this is the channel you want to be if you want to save your money in 2025 for predictions app, be it football, sports, anyone. I'm here to save you that stress. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love.